Hello everyone and welcome back to the Millionaire House. If you're new here, I just want to take a moment to say hello. My name is Melanie. I am a Tampa Bay girl. I love lifestyle, home decor, family, and so I share all of those types of things with you here on my channel. I love fall. Fall is my favorite season, and so typically I'll share a lot more during this time of year. So today I'm starting with a clean with me video. This is our backyard area. We love spending time back here, but during the summer it's just too hot. So it gets very heavily neglected and full of pollen and all things that need to be washed down. So I'm going to share with you all the products I use to do that today. And then after that, I'll share in the next video how I styled for fall. So welcome, and I hope you enjoy the video. As I said earlier, we absolutely love our backyard. We are fortunate enough to live on a nature preserve, so we see all sorts of incredible wildlife back there, big, beautiful trees. The downside is all of the pollen and dirt that will blow onto the back porch, and especially in the summertime, we're not back there maintaining it because it's too hot. So by the end of summer, it needs a wash down from top to bottom. So we always start off with a good strong pressure wash. Now, normally I like to clean from high to low, or sort of starting at the top and working my way down. But on the back porch, that doesn't work because the pressure washer sprays all the glass. So I end up having to go back and re-clean the glass. So we start off with the pressure wash, and then I go back and do the rest. While my husband is tackling the pressure washing, I will usually start by giving the screens a good scrub down. They do a great job at catching all of the yucky stuff, but boy, do they get dirty. So I like to use Dawn dish soap mixed with cleaning vinegar and hot water. I've mentioned cleaning vinegar on some of my cleaning videos before. It's much stronger than regular white distilled vinegar. And in fact, you probably want to use gloves when you're using it. I didn't use gloves in this video, and my hands were peeling and raw the next day. But it's definitely a lot easier on the yard. So I like to use it for the entire backyard and even on my glass when I'm cleaning that. So I start with the screens and wait until you see how dirty the water was just from these two screens. And I do this screen scrub down about once a quarter, so like every 3 or 4 months, and this is how dirty they get. Next, I move to the top and work my way down, so I clean off all the outdoor lighting and the fans. I get a fresh bucket of warm water and Dawn dish soap and cleaning vinegar, and I just wipe down every single bulb, all the wiring, and get it all cleaned up. And here is a look at what they look like after I'm done. They look brand new, sparkly, shiny. I like the cleaning vinegar with the Dawn because it doesn't, it cuts up the soap residue that would probably be left behind if you only used soap. But then on the lanterns, after I actually wash them, I go back through and I use glass cleaner as well. I really love a product by Sprayway. It's called the world's best glass cleaner with foaming action. I discovered this product actually years ago. I was a professional apartment cleaner putting myself through college, and this was the only product that didn't leave behind streaks. I also prefer to clean my glass with newspaper instead of paper towels, but I didn't have any available when I was cleaning up back there, so I had to use paper towels instead. But I find that cleaning with newspaper will leave the glass much cleaner than when I clean with paper towels. Comment below if you have a favorite glass cleaner that you use. I'm always willing to try new things, so let us know. Next, I move on to cleaning the windows in the kitchen nook. I have to pop out the screens from the inside before I get started. Then I use the same solution, warm water, Dawn dish soap, probably about a tablespoon of Dawn dish soap, and about a cup, maybe 2, depending on how dirty the windows are, of the cleaning vinegar. And it was hard to get a shot of how clean the glass looked, but hopefully you can tell here, it really is spotless every single time I use this method. It was a very long day of cleaning, and at this point my arms were starting to get cramps in them. So my sweet oldest daughter bailed me out and helped me finish wiping down the sliders after I cleaned them because her poor mom just couldn't take much more. It always looks so nice to get everything cleaned off, and I love the cleaning vinegar solution because everything just smells very fresh. So here is a sneak peek at what I have been up to for fall outdoor styling. Make sure you have those post notifications turned on. I have a lot of fun things in store for the fall season. Until next time, love and peace.